Okay, this is the beginning of lecture 12. This lecture is going to be in two parts. I just want to finish up the story on air pollution. And this particular lecture, we're just going to talk for a few minutes about indoor air pollution. Up to this point, we've been talking about outdoor air pollution, and now we're going to talk about indoor air pollution. And then the second part of this lecture will be a quick exam review for exam 2. All right, so let's turn to the document camera. Anything that's kind of stinky inside your house is probably contributing to something in the air that you should not be breathing. For example, incense. A lot of people burn incense in their home because for whatever reason, but actually you can see that even with the incense, you're just giving off while you're burning it. So you're probably, producing carbon dioxide, obviously, as you're burning whatever carbon-based material is in the incense, but also you're producing smoke. And the smoke is not a gas because we can see it. It's little bits of particles, the ash and whatnot, that don't get broken down all the way, and that you're just breathing in. And anytime you're breathing in smoke, it's not a good thing because of the particulate matter. It doesn't matter what the particle is, the particles themselves can cause problems in your lungs. Also paint, like if you're painting inside your house, you can smell that odor. That's due to the volatile organic compounds that are in the paint. And it's not going to be a problem, like you're not going to be producing a lot of ozone or something like that because of the paint, but the volatile organic compounds themselves can disrupt your normal metabolism, especially in your brain, and give you a headache. Just due to some of the oxygen is being knocked out, and you're breathing in these compounds that are getting into your bloodstream, and your body just has to deal with them. So paint and incense, whatnot, that would be considered indoor air pollution, or anything else stinky that you produce or smoke that you produce in your house. If you have a wood-burning fireplace and it's not well ventilated and you get smoke inside your house, that can be a problem. And as a matter of fact, now most people in the United States don't have a huge problem with indoor air pollution, but I'll tell you, outside the United States, for example, in India, I was just listening to something on the radio the other day on public radio, and they're talking about how in certain regions of India, people still use wood-burning stoves inside their homes. And so the women and the children will be in there in these little homes all day, cooking away, and just their house is just filling with smoke. And so what the World Health Organization is trying to do is get better ovens inside these homes that don't produce so much smoke, because just imagine the particulate matter that they're subjecting themselves to and their children. So, in the United States, we don't have such a problem with smoke in the house, but in other parts of the world, there are problems.